Good morning students. Welcome to class 11th biology class. Unit 3rd is continue cell, the unit of life, in which today's topic is Golgi complex. In some books it is given in different chapters, structural organization of the cell. Golgi complex or Golgi body found in all eukaryotic cells except RBC cells of mammals. Italian scientist named Camillo Golgi discovered it in 1898 from nerve cell of cat. This organelle is named after its discoverer Golgi. In the higher plants, they remain scattered in the cytoplasm and are named as dactylosome, but in animal cells, they are localized. In an animal cell, 3 to 7, and in plant cells, 10 to 12 Golgi complex are found, but in some lower animal cells, only one Golgi body is found. It is also called as lipochondria, idiosome, Dalton complex, and Golgi apparatus. Its distribution inside the cell. Golgi complex is found in the cells of higher plants and animals. These are well developed in secretory, young, and active cells. Golgi body is not found in prokaryotic cells. Its origin. It is believed that Golgi body originates from endoplasmic reticulum. A structure. Golgi complex or Golgi body are double membrane unit. Electron microscopic study of it show three distinct components as it is found in endoplasmic reticulum, cisternae. These are elongated tubular or flattened sacs filled with fluid. Each Golgi body is composed of 4 to 7 cisternae held in parallel bundles, means one above other. Each cisternae of Golgi is formed of two membranes continuous at the two ends, enclosing a thin space of about 520 armstrongs. Thickness of membrane is about 60 angstroms. These are double membranous structures filled with fluid, held one above other, this type. Basicles. Basicles occurs at the periphery or bulbous outgrowth, meant for storing secretory materials. Their diameter is 60 micron, and vacuoles. These are large spacious rounded sac-like structures found at the edge of Golgi complex. These vacuoles are formed by the vesiculation of flattened sacs of cisternae. Sometimes cisternae become flattened to form sac-like structures filled with juices. These are known as the vacuoles. Polarity of Golgi body. Golgi body has a definite polarity. It has two faces, forming face it is the face of Golgi body toward nuclear membrane or endoplasmic reticulum. Its shape is convex and is invert this face transitional. Its shape is convex and is also known as proximal phase or outer phase or cis phase. Toward this phase, transitional vesicles are found. And second is maturation phase. It is present towards cell membrane and opposite to nuclear membrane. It is concave in shape and also known as distal phase, inner phase or trans phase. Secretory vesicles of Golgi body are found toward maturation phase. Now the functions of Golgi body. Main function of Golgi body is secretions. Secretory vesicles move toward the plasma membrane and burst on the cell surface, releasing their contents. Lysosomes are formed from Golgi bodies. It helps in synthesis of large molecule of complex carbohydrates. Sometimes Golgi bodies secrete carbohydrates which help in the formation of the cell wall. It helps in the formation of acrosome of sperm and matrix of cartilage. It helps in the cell plate formation during cell division. Plant secretory products like gum, wax, mucilage, etc. are released by these bodies. Various secretions produced by secretory cells are synthesized by it. These may be hormone, albumin, mucus, etc. Third cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, and then lysosomes. Lysosome, lysis means digestive, soma means body, are a small membrane bound vesicular structure found in cytoplasm. These perform intracellular digestion of the cell. Dudouis 1955 have been reported them for the first time and named them as lysosomes. They are electron microscopic vesicles of the cytoplasm which are involved in intracellular digestion activities, so called lysosomes. Occurrence. Lysosomes are present in all animal cells and in a few plant cells. Fungi, example yeast, Neurospora, protist, Euglena. Animal cells which are secretory in function like liver cells, spleen cells, pancreatic cells, kidney cells and thyroid cells contain large number of lysosomes. Lysosomes are found in meristematic cells of plants. Their origin. Lysosomes arise either from smooth endoplasmic reticulum or from the Golgi body. Structure. Lysosomes are spherical tiny bag filled with useless material and digestive enzymes and bounded by a single unit membrane. Enzymes of lysosome. About 40 enzymes have been recorded in lysosome. All the enzymes do not occur in the same lysosome, but there are different set of lysosome in different enzymes. Important enzymes are acid phosphatase, sulfatases, proteases, acid phosphatases, sulfatases, proteases, nucleases, lipase and glycosidases, etc. These enzymes are also called acid hydrolases because these enzymes usually function in acidic medium or pH less than 7. Lysosomes are called suicidal bag because of the presence of a large number of digestive enzymes or acid hydrolases in them. Only a thin membrane separates the digestive enzymes from the rest of cells. If the membrane happen to broken, various cellular constituents would undergo lysis or they would digested up. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as suicidal bag of the cell. Forms or types of lysosome. Lysosome pass through various stages in same cell. The phenomena is called polymorphism or existence of more than one morphological form. Depending upon their morphology and functions, there are 4 types of lysosomes. They are primary, secondary, residual body, and autophagic vacuoles. So, primary lysosomes. They are newly pieced off vesicles from the Golgi body. These are small bodies enclosing hydrolytic enzyme in the form of granules. Secondary lysosomes. They are also called as heterophagosomes or digestive vacuoles. These are produced either from phagocytosis or pinocytosis of foreign material by the cell and then within the cell. Phagocytosis means cell eating or eating of foreign molecules by the cells. Pinocytosis, cell drinking, which is used for liquid substances. Foreign bodies of extracellular substance are enclosed within the membrane to form membrane bound structures called phagosome or pinosome. These ultimately fuse with primary lysosome, thus forming secondary lysosome. In phagosome, the engulfed material is digested by hydrolytic enzymes, thereby changing the phagosome into residual body. Residual body is third form of lysosome. These are lysosomes with undigested residues which are left after digestion of phagosomes. These bodies are rejected from the cell by exocytosis and sometime in certain cells these bodies remain in cells for long time, causing again these residual bodies also cause disease in human beings such as fever, hepatitis, hypertension, congested heart failure, etc. Autophagosomes. Autophagosomes are autophagic vacuoles. Autophagic vacuoles are formed when the cell feeds on its intracellular organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. by the process of autophagy. For example, during starvation, the autophagic vacuoles are formed in the liver cells. By this method, cells can feed on their own substances. Due to autophagic property of lysosomes, these are also known as suicide bags. When tadpole or frog undergo metamorphosis, its tail is lost by autophagy. Functions of lysosome. They digest the large extracellular particles like foreign protein, bacteria, virus, etc. Lysosome digest the intracellular food contents like carbohydrate, fat, and protein to supply energy during starvation. The lysosome of sperm secrete digestive enzyme to dissolve the egg membrane for fertilization. In some pathological conditions, they show autolysis, that is digestion of some cell organelles. The lysosome initiates the mitosis, cell division. It helps for termination of useless material from the cells by autophagy. Fourth cell organelles is vacuoles. Presence of vacuoles is the feature of plant cells. These are mostly absent but sometimes may be found in animal cells also. However, vacuoles in animal cells are smaller in size. In young plant cells, vacuoles are also a small size, but as the cell mature, many vacuoles fuse to form one or a few large vacuoles. Each vacuole is surrounded by a thin membrane called tonoplast. It is filled with cell shape. It contains sugar, minerals, proteins, amino acid, ester, water-soluble pigments, and waste products. Some protozoan cells have contractile vacuoles. These help in osmoregulation. In many cyanophacian algae or cyanobacteria, gas-filled pseudovacuoles or gas vacuoles are found. These provide buoyancy to cells. Tonoplast of vacuoles are semi-permeable and enable the cells to concentrate and store nutrients and waste products. It also facilitates rapid exchange of material between the cytoplasm and adjoining cells. Function of vacuoles. Vacuoles help in the storage of food materials. Being semi-permeable in nature, the tonoplast help in the transport of various substances inside the cell. Vacuoles help in osmoregulation. It provides mechanical support to the colloidal matrix of protoplasm. Sometimes hydrolytic enzymes are present in vacuoles, thus they function as lysosome. Some pigments responsible for color of flower, fruit, leaf, and beetroot are found in cell shape of vacuoles. Vacuoles help in the excretion of various waste products. The cell shape keeps the cell turgid. Fifth and most important cell organelles, mitochondria. Mitochondria are filamentous or granular cytoplasmic organelles called powerhouse of the cell. Under light microscope, mitochondria are seen in the form of short thread-like structures. Therefore, they are named as mitochondria. Mitos means thread and chondrion means particles or granules. These are essential for aerobic respirations of eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria was first observed by Kolliker in 1880 and later Fleming 1882 and Altman 1889 have confirmed the presence of mitochondria. The term mitochondria was coined by Benda in 1897. Its distribution. Mitochondria are uniformly distributed in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They are lacking in prokaryotic cells, but they may be localized to those particular sites which are engaged in the metabolic activities or aerobic oxidation of food materials. Number of mitochondria. Number of mitochondria in a single cell varies depending upon the species and functional state of cells. In amoeba, there may be as many as 50,000 mitochondria per cell. In red liver cells, these are few in number, about 1,000 to 1,600. Sea urchin eggs contain as many as about 14,000 to 15,000 mitochondria. Micromonas and chlorella contain only one mitochondria. Normal human cells contain about 1,000 to 1600 mitochondria. Shape and size. Shape of mitochondria is variable, means it changes its shape according to need. It may be spherical, for example yeast, cylindrical, tubular, filamentous, or granular. The shape of mitochondria may change depending upon the physiological condition of cells. Average size of mitochondria is 1.5 to 7 micron in length and 0.5 to 1 micron in diameter. Ultrastructure of mitochondria. Ultrastructure of mitochondria. Mitochondria are bounded by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane, which is about 60 angstrom in thickness. Both the membranes are trilaminar in nature, made up of lipoprotein. Like other biomembranes, it is also made up of outer and inner protein and middle fatty or lipid layers. These membranes are separated by an intermembrane space called outer compartment of about, the space between two membranes is called intercompartment. These membranes are separated by an intermembrane space called outer compartment of about 60 to 80 angstrom width. The outer mitochondrial membrane form a continuous outer boundary of mitochondria. Outer membrane is continuous. It is pitted. The pits are of 2.5 to 3 micron in diameter. Inner membrane is projected into central space in the form of finger-like projections or in pushing known as cristae. Inner membrane is projected inside, forming the cristae or mitochondrial crest. These increase the inner surface area. Inner membrane line the innermost compartment, which is filled with the gel-like matrix. It contains proteins in soluble state, lipids, circular DNA molecules, ribosome, 70S type, and certain granules. Granules are prominent in the mitochondria of those cells which are related with the transport of iron and water. Elementary particles are inner membrane subunits. With the help of a special technique, the inner membrane and crest are seen covered with the special particles known as elementary particles or F1 particles. These particles are known as elementary particles or F1 particles. These particles are about 80 angstroms in diameter and are evenly spaced at an interval of 100 angstroms. Each of F1 particles can be divided into base piece, a stalk or F1 particles, and a head piece. Means these particles are like this: base, stalk, and headpiece. Previously, the F1 particles were thought to contain all the enzyme required for electron transport system and for oxidative phosphorylation, hence named as electron transport particles or ETP persons. But Raker 1967 says established that F1 particles represent a special ATP synthesis and are involved in process of oxidative phosphorylations. McLeon and Green and Baum 1970 have suggested that the base piece of F1 particles contain the electron transport chain or respiratory chain and probably correspond to one complex. The stalk and headpiece do not take part in the respiratory chain. Chemical composition of mitochondria. Chemically, mitochondria consist of protein 73%, lipids 25 to 30%, out of which 90% is phospholipids, RNA 0.5%, and a small amount of DNA. Mitochondria also contain a large number of enzymes. It contains more than 70 enzymes and coenzymes which act in orderly fashions along with several cofactors. These enzymes are found in matrix, outer and inner membrane of mitochondria, which are responsible for oxidative phosphorylations. Origin of mitochondria. Mitochondria is originated. It is a self-duplicating cell organelle due to presence of DNA molecule. So, new mitochondria are always formed by growth and division of pre-existing mitochondria. Mitochondria and chloroplast are two cell organelles which are self-perpetuating or self-dividing cells. Evolution of mitochondria. Scientists like Altman believe that billions of years ago mitochondria might have evolved through symbiotic association between an independent prokaryotic parasite and an eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria might have been independent in the beginning and have entered into eukaryotic cells. These remained there permanently and found today as mitochondria in all type of eukaryotic cells. The presence of 3 circular DNA, RNA and 70 S type of ribosome prove the view of parasitic form of mitochondria. Similarities between mitochondria and bacteria. Cristae of mitochondria are similar to the mesosome of prokaryotes. Membrane is both contain enzymes. DNA of mitochondria are free, circular and covalently closed like bacteria. In both, ribosome are of 70 S type. Mechanism of protein biosynthesis is similar in both the system. Both mitochondria and prokaryotic cells reproduce by multiplication.